up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna try out a bunch of new makeup that I've picked up recently. As you can clearly see, I've tried it all out and I'm so excited to share it with you guys because it's so freaking good. These are so awesome and I'm like stunned कि मैंने अभी तक ये सब try क्यों नहीं किया है. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
First, let's start with Lamel. I've got quite few products from them. Now, Lamel is a fairly new brand in the Indian market. Jan around launch हुआ है ये products और मैंने अभी तक try नहीं किया है. So I've got like 4 products from them which we'll try out right now. The first one I picked up is Lamel All-in-One Tinted Lip Plumping Oil. Packaging wise, I really like it. It's very cute and aesthetic. Now let's quickly swatch it, and this is how the applicator looks like, by the way. और जैसे मैं swatch करती हूँ, it applies very clear and then it gives a beautiful tint on the lips. Let's apply this. As I said before, it goes on clear and then it just gives this beautiful pink tinge to your lips. Now इसमें लिखा हुआ है it's a plumping lip oil. It does not feel like that tingling sensation. Mostly जो plumping lip oils होते हैं, it gives a tingling sensation and then it just plumps the lips a little. I don't think this has any of that. So it's just a lip oil, I would say. But ये lip oil बहुत अच्छा है. It just layers, it just adds a beautiful layer on your lips and it blurs it out a little, because of which ऐसा थोड़ा plumping effect दिखता है. All in all, I really like this. I literally जब से लाया है तब से मैं every single day से use करती हूँ because it just gives the most perfect beautiful tinge on your lips, which I really like, especially if you're like a light to medium skin tone. I think you should definitely pick this up. बहुत ही अच्छा budget friendly pick है and it's gonna be a perfect every single day kind of a lip oil. The next item I picked up from Lamel is their Smart Skin Serum Tinted Foundation, which also has hyaluronic acid in it. Now this one also has SPF. It has SPF 30, so it's a SPF plus tinted foundation and I picked it up in the shade 406 medium beige. I love that it has this pump thing, very hygienic. Let's try it out. Okay, it almost, wow. Do you see how easily it's disappearing on my skin? The shade is perfect. I feel अगर ये oxidize नहीं हुआ then it would be perfect shade. अगर ये oxidize हुआ then it will be too dark for me. And I have tried it once and it did not oxidize. So yeah, let's see. I don't know if the camera is picking up, but I'm pretty sure you can see it's a little too warm. And even over here that I see it's a little too warm. Shade range ज़्यादा है नहीं. I think it's around like 8 shades, but I feel deeper skin tones के लिए this shade could have been a little better. And I feel I could have picked up a little lighter shade as well. At least एक shade में lighter definitely जा सकती थी. But I'm so confused because as I'm blending it, it's blending good. And it's not looking too warm. तो shades थोड़े confusing है I would say. But once I blend it, it's not looking too bad. I can make it work. It's definitely not too drying, but definitely one shade darker than my natural skin tone. I feel this could be my perfect summer shade. You know, when you travel and you get that tan glow on your skin, I think तभी ये perfect shade होगा मेरे लिए. But if you are similar to my skin shade, then I feel you should go one shade lighter. I think for my neck, it's the perfect shade. My first impression would be it's definitely lightweight and a perfect like a CC serum cream. I would say it does not feel like a foundation and it's definitely light to medium coverage. It's not gonna cover a bunch of your dark spots, but still it gives a medium coverage and it just blurs out the imperfections, I feel. So it's like a perfect summer foundation serum cream. If you're not into very heavy cakey makeup, then I would say this is your best bet. And it's a very good price point as well. I would say Lamel ke products are almost under 500 rupees. I think this one is the only thing that's like 600 bucks and rest everything is under 500, which I feel it's definitely more of a budget buy. But the finish, I'm very happy with it. It's not extremely like that glowy dewy skin, but it's not super matte as well. So if you're like me, I have a dry skin type and this is perfect for my skin because it does not dry out my skin and there's no dry patches, but it's still moisturized, hydrated, gives a beautiful glow on my skin, and it's doing the right things. Especially for dry skin, it's a great pick. I would give it a 9 out of 10. Just shades thoda aur better ho sakta hai isme, but it's a really good pick. I would give it a thumbs up. The next item I picked up is a blush. It's their Lamel BB blush, and it's supposed to have like a dewy, silky finish. Firstly, let's talk about the packaging. Not a big fan of. I love the color. It's very, very pretty. But as you can see, जैसे ही मैं ये dispense करना try करूँगी, this is a lot of product that comes out at once, and I can't really put it back in. So not really big fan of the packaging. It could have been a little better. And the shade I've picked up is 401 Tea Rose. So this is how the shade looks. I'm definitely gonna do one dot because I don't want to look like a clown. I did two. Let's blend this first. I like it. Should I stop over here and should I go a little crazy and add another layer of this? Because I feel in person, I definitely see the color. It's a very pretty blush, but I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up. I feel I should go a little bit, add a little one more layer, especially on this side. This is such a beautiful shade. I love it. You can definitely pick it up. 401 Tea Rose. Very pretty. Definitely pigmented, but जैसे ही आप blend करोगे, it starts to fade out. I feel once it sets, now this side is set. This is not moving, but जब वो cream formula में है, जितना blend कर रहे हो, इतना ही वो fade out हो रहा था, and I was like reapplying it. But it's very pretty. I love this shade. It's looking so good, and it's a great everyday wear kind of a shade as well. But if you really want it to set, I would highly recommend setting it with a powder blush on top, so it just stays. And even if the powder blush like goes away, this cream blush like एक under layer में, it will always be there. So yeah, it's a very pretty shade. Lamel is surprising me. I like जितने भी अभी तक मैंने products try किए हैं, I'm loving all of it. So yeah, it's a thumbs up. I actually really like it. I'm gonna give it a solid 9 out of 10. And the last thing I picked up from Lamel is their Insta Glitter Bomb, and this you can apply it on your face, on your body. I think this will look really cool on the hairs as well, to add like a glitter strips around the hair. And this is such a great item to have, especially if you're attending concerts or music festivals, something like that. Usually when you apply glitter, you have to apply a little bit of glue and then stick it on, but this has everything. You just need to take it, apply it. So I'm gonna apply it near the inner corners. Let's see how it looks. But I'm so excited to use this as a highlighter as well. Not today we'll use it on the lids. Wow. Also, the shade I picked up is a blue silver, और इसमें भी 3 shades है: gold, pink silver and blue silver. Blue silver is the one that I've picked up. Let's try it. It's intense. Wow. Lamel is not playing at all. Do you see that? Wow. You can create like that fairy kind of a makeup look with this. It's so pretty. Just gonna fade it out a little over here, but I'm gonna keep it intense near the inner corners. Wow, I'm obsessed. It's looking so good. Lamel, I would give it a 10 out of 10. This is like next level shit. Also, it's only for 400 or 500 rupees. Like, this is really good quality. You don't need anything. This has the glue, this has the glitter. You just need to like pat it with your fingers and you're good to go. This will look so good as a highlighter. Imagine I'm putting it all over here. Also, you can add it over here if you need a little bit of that sparkle and you're wearing something, sleeveless. That's gonna look so good. This is the final look. I'm looking like a fairy. This is a fairy makeup and wow. Just look at it. Just admire it. I'm actually gonna pick it up in all the colors that's available because this is beautiful. I love it and it's actually complementing my nails so well. So good, definitely pick it up. Next, I picked up the super viral holographic shimmery eyeliners by Swiss Beauty. This has been sold out for so long. Finally, उन्होंने सारे के सारे shades वापस restock कर दिए हैं, so you can definitely pick them up because I've been waiting for these to get in stock for so long. Sold out होने से पहले फटाफट grab कर लो because बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. Let's swap them one by one. This one is shade 01 Milky Way. So ये retractable इसमें आता है, which is really good. And this is supposed to be waterproof, smudge proof and long lasting. We'll test that. It definitely has a blue to purple shift, which is very pretty. I feel in person इसका shift बहुत ही ज़्यादा visible है. I don't know if the camera is really picking it up or not because in person you can see the shift. It's very creamy and it just blends like a dream. So I'm gonna let this sit. Let's swatch the other two as well. So this one is 04 Nebula. Packaging, very beautiful. 10 out of 10 on packaging. This is so creamy. Wow. Nebula shade definitely has more of that silver, pink and blue kind of a shift. Very ethereal. I love this. I feel with this eye look, I can use both of these shades. Which one should I pick though? And the last shade I picked up is this one. This is 02 Northern Lights. I'm very excited about this one. एक suggestion मैं दूंगी इसे apply करते वक्त make sure कि एकदम थोड़ा सा ही ओपन रहो बिकॉज ये बहुत ज़्यादा क्रीमी और बहुत जल्दी टूटता भी है. तो अगर आप इतना रख के अप्लाई करने जाओगे तो बहुत फटाक से टूट जाएगा. सो मेक श्योर वाइल अप्लाइंग यू कीप अ वेरी लिटिल अमाउंट ओपन. वाओ, this is such a pretty, like this neon green, and this one definitely has a light green, dark green, almost fading into a little bit of a peacock blue, I would say. Wow, do you see that shift? I love all these three shades. Again, as I said, इसमें 5 shades available है, and these 3 were my favorites, so I've picked all 3 of them. Trying to do that reverse eyeliner thing. I think this is looking better. Let's just stick to this. I love it. You can definitely do those graphic eyeliners using this. It's looking very pretty, and I love the shift of this. This is looking almost like a purple, and this is looking blue, and this has a beautiful purple shift again. Love it. Let's do it in the other eye as well. I hope I've matched it, and I think it's looking really good. I'm happy with the eye makeup look. If you've seen my older videos, I don't do eye makeups like this. I'm usually more of a subtle, clean girl, kind of a makeup look girl. But this has definitely got me excited, and I am loving this eye makeup look. I think I should experiment a little bit more with the eye makeup looks. अच्छा खासा time हो चुका है इन्हें swap किए हुए हैं. Let's see if it is transfer proof, smudge proof. Wow, it's not moving anywhere and no transfer at all, so it's definitely good. Let me put a little bit of water as well, तो वो भी टेस्ट कर ही देते हैं. Oops, I always make a mess. So I have, wow, so waterproof भी है and it's not moving at all. So this is definitely gonna stay the whole day. And the last product I picked up is by this brand called Fay Beauty, and it's their gloss lip gloss basically. And this one is in the shade Living. मुझे इसका packaging थोड़ा unique लगा. तो एक side पे इसके से ball जैसा है, and this you just have to click like this. तो यहाँ पर product थोड़ा dispense होता है, and you just have to apply it. ये थोड़ा annoying है, honestly. You just have to press it a little longer, which I hate. And you never know. The packaging, I am not a big fan of the packaging of this product. So the shade is very pretty. It's a almost like a mauvish brown shade and it looks really pretty on the lips. I'm not a big fan of the packaging. I feel थोड़ा simple कर देते. As you just saw, अगर आप ज़्यादा press करोगे तो वो ball ही गिर जाता है and you waste a lot of products which I absolutely hate. Otherwise, the color, the tint, the feel on the lips, very hydrating, very juicy and just makes my lips look very pouty. You know what I mean? Very juicy. Love the tint. Hate the packaging. I would give it a 8 out of 10. But I like it though. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैं description में दे दूंगी. Do not forget to check it out. I'll also put my storefront link जहाँ पर आपको सारे links एक जगह पे मिल जाएंगे. You don't have to like scatter around. And yeah, with that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.